Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is actually a one horse. So the only, well, there's several companies that make one horses, but the only company that I've been involved in from a previously being a dealer. I was a shadow dealer when I started my business back in 2013. They did one horse trailers. So this is actually a one horse trailer, slant load with a dressing room. This trailer is all aluminum. This trailer is 6'4" wide, 7 tall. It does have one drop down window on the head side. It does have the gravel guard across the front of the nose. It is a stablemate. It does have a pressure treated wood floor. Empty weight of this trailer is around 2,200, maybe 2,000 at best. So it is a lightweight trailer. One thing I'm going to notate is it's got a little crinkle here in this fender. So it's got one place in the fender on this side, driver's side of the trailer. Cosmetic, 100%. So I've got the door clip back open. So it is stock side on the rear and on the back door. So one single door. So stepping up, it's got mats, one divider wall, and that divider wall does fold flat, which I'm going to show you here in just a second how that works. You can clip that wall back if you wanted to use this as a utility trailer. Something along those lines. So it's just made for one horse. One horse stock combo would be the actual name of this. So it is a stock combo, meaning it's got the drop down window on the head side, stock side on the rear. It's got 2 tie rings in there for your to tie your horse. It's got a tie ring here on the outside, and again it does have a step up to the dressing room. Dressing room has one saddle rack, a set of bridle hooks on the swing wall, spare tire, spinning around. I'll just kind of show you how this works. So you pretty much open the divider wall. It folds flat. Do this on expanded to show you. So it folds flat, so then this opens up completely. So a little unique one horse shadow. You know, guys, I didn't even tell you the age of this trailer. Hold on a second. I believe it's a 2017, possibly. Yeah, it's a 16 or a 17. So it will be posted on the ad as soon as we do the ad, as well as the video, I guess, intro to the video. I can't talk today, guys. So I'm going to say 17. It's built in August of 2016. So 2017 Shadow one horse, all aluminum bumper pull. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. My name is Ashley, and the best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.